Kinong ilam garib hoy darbar hak arpun tarik urisau hajar arpulai. Kilala ban penurlong ya ke jingtmu bandan ya ke office terikam ke Bapura kata hadian belala ban pleo mau nong rem bantai ya ke office terikam hak senong sning sok bhala hak distrik ribhoy. Ya mau nong rem bantai ke office jong garib hoy darbar lawan ban pleo Raja Brahma additional deputy commissioner ke distrik ribhoy hak jing dan lang ba iling do BDO ke sning CNR di blok kinong ilam ke ribhoy darbar bat kiwe-kiwe. Na kaliang uba arbi syadab ubri nong elam jong kerib hoi dorbar. Ulapan pau ke jing kemen ke bakra hulor ke jing jam jong kerib hoi dorbar syakathong ban penurlong ya ke jing don kam yala ke office terekam ke Bapura. Ulapan pau ke jing sungo ya Dr. WR Karluki MP ke Raja Sabha halor ke jing mang ya ke skim na ke MP lad hajar hajar arpuar ha ke jing mang pisa ke bakot kombash paulak tengka na ke benta ke jing te ya ke office. Habakran pad kumu kongsan Raja Brahma kumu officer beladan bentah hakaban kershan keri boy dorbar haki babun ki kam tam kershan ru haga jinga lenti jangka kenhuan ban yokno elak office trekam ulapan pau ke jingkemen ban saki bakani ka kenhuan kala jam syakmat ban yok la ke jong ke office ke Bapura bat kebala ban trekam haki kendiat manai ke banwan ulang ru bakri boy dorbar ke deka weni ki kenhuan ke belas syakri ya ke bah kamniat bat ki kam penroy jungisnong haga ni ke district Shosho ula ai kejingi ru halor kejingi ijngai jong Dr. WR Karluki MP ke Raja Sabha ubrane kathong ban kentiu gi district bat kisnong ha kejela Meghalaya daga bayo kun ban penio gi skim penroi baper ban kentiu gi snong bag kejela he berkowai daga kula ru bagi bo district kin don rengkat bagane ka kenhuan banang kersyan gi wei pat gijing don kam ban pendap gijing te Bapura ya kene ke office trikam
the laying foundation stone for River Darbar is just a beginning. Let the project complete in as per the Kumbayo Pisa. Then the things will follow. I'm very sure many other, like other projects like Wangkui parking for sanitation toilet, your electrification for solar and all will be in the pipeline for water supply. We'll see it. Whatever we can incorporate, we'll help you. Since the name itself belong Kumba River Darbar, it's not only an asset to the headman, Kumba member jang, but it's an asset jang the boy. There is a symbol of a love, a symbol of development for the people of Rivoy district as a whole. And being a senior members from the Rivoy Darbar, we and myself PD from the district administration, on behalf of all, we are with you for the development and the coordination with you. We hope that the project goes well, and we are always there to help.